Hey, lovely people. I'm Maya and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create faceless YouTube videos using new free mind-blowing text-to-video AI tool. Also, you can use this tool to create videos for marketing, promotion, or anything else. So, without further delay, let's get started. The tool is Augxlabs.com AI video generator. If you're camera shy and don't want to appear on camera for your YouTube, marketing or sales videos, this tool is something you're going to love. Augxlabs is currently in beta version, but the good thing is it's free. Step 1. Create your Augxlabs account. First, click on the link in the description and Augxlabs website will open. Now, click on Join the beta and click on Sign up. Fill out all the details. Enter your first and last name, email, and password. Then click on Create Account and you'll get access. Once you create an account and sign in, this is the dashboard and the website becomes beta.mithagi.com. That's the website where you actually create the video. Step 2. Upload your script or auto-generate the script. Now, click on the Create button. In this text-to-video tool, you can upload your audio or video, record your voice, or auto-generate a script for a YouTube video by clicking on Prompt. To auto-generate the script, simply type your prompt topic of your YouTube video. I am just writing the prompt, how to make money online. Next, click on Generate Transcript, and AI will generate the script for you. Then select the voice. You can also check your audio by clicking on the preview button and download your audio. I will simply click on the text button since I have already written the script. I will paste it into this text box and use it to generate the video. Then, select a voice. I am choosing Bella's female voice. After that, click on Next. Additionally, you can add keyword to get video footage for your YouTube video. I will include the keyword earning money online. Step 3. Generate your AI video. Click on Create, and then it will take a few minutes. It saves you a few hours. Wow, that's awesome. Now the video is ready. To edit the video, just click on this pencil icon. You can duplicate the video by clicking on Copy icon or download it by clicking on Download icon. I want to edit the video, so I will click on pencil icon. Step 4. Edit the generated AI video. Editor will open. Here you can see we have different editing tools to edit generated video. This is a timeline. If you want to change the video footage, you can change easily. Just click on video the footage you want to change and click on Select Media and you will get video suggestion. Just click on any of the footage you like and it will be replaced with your selected footage. Step 5. Add automatic subtitles to your video. Add automatic subtitles by clicking on Text. Then enable entire video closed caption, and this tool will generate the automatic captions for you. Next, I'm using the font Classic and font size 16. Then select the effect as standard. You can also add music, effects, or filters to your video. Additionally, you can generate AI images by clicking on Generate. Now everything is done. Let's play this video again. How to earn money using social media. Here is the final result.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to discuss how to make money using social media. With billions of users worldwide, social media platforms have become powerful tools for monetization. Step 1. Choosing the right platform. The first step is to choose the right social media platform for your goals and target audience. Some popular options include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Step 2. Building a strong presence. Once you've chosen a platform, it's time to build a strong and engaging presence. This means creating high-quality content, defining a consistent brand image, and engaging with your audience. Step 3. Monetization strategies. There are various ways to make money through social media. Some popular strategies include sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products or services. Remember, it's important to be authentic and provide value to your audience throughout your monetization efforts. Thanks for watching.
Step 6. Download AI-generated video. See how easy it's going to be for you to create YouTube Faceless video channel. Marketing, promotional videos, anything. And once you're happy with the result, you can download this video by clicking on download button and use it on your social media as well. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next AI tutorial video.